Alrighty. What is up, guys? For today, gonna be kind of another shorter one. I wanted to do longer ones, but yesterday I had such a bad headache, so I could not stream. And today I am helping my girlfriend move some stuff after this, so unfortunately I cannot do a super long stream, but what I want to do today is at least one lead code, and then I'm roughly wanting to do a basic Docker container for a summer project, like build it from scratch. I'm thinking in C++, because I want to learn some C++. So I'm having ChatGPT write me like a roadmap type of thing to do some basic features, because I honestly no fucking clue how to start. Like, actually no fucking clue how to start. So I'm guessing today is going to be a lot of reading and a very minimal amount of coding, which is fine. It's going to have to be that way because I need to learn what I'm doing first. Because like a soft goal that I have for this project is I don't want to use AI coding. I'm fine using AI for like asking for help in regards to like explanations and like roadmaps and stuff like that, because it just helps. It's like a better Google. But I really want to just like understand this. I kind of don't care at all about this project like working or me using it. I just want to understand it. Like, I think it's really cool if I can fully understand like what the fuck a Docker container is and what Docker does, because I use them at work, but I don't really know how they work, you know? So if anyone asks why I'm not using Cursor or something like that, it's because I don't care how long this takes. I just want to figure it out. With that being said, let's keep on our new code 150. Let's see. Where do we want to go? I almost feel like I should just reset what I've done. I think I might do that. Purely because I don't want to... Yeah, I'm going to reset. Oh, I can't, like... Oh, shoot. I thought I could reset, like, which ones I've done. Damn. Well, okay. I did some arrays and hashing ones the last time. So... kind of forget valid Sudoku. Oh yeah, wait, I do remember this. Let's search a 2D matrix. Looks like I gave up on this one. Okay. Or wait, what am I, realistically, what the fuck, I should just be following these. So I did arrays and hashing, let's just do stack. Well, I feel like that's a problem I do. I like jump around too much. So I'm just gonna uncheck everything. I'm just gonna spend the time right now and uncheck everything that I didn't do like literally yesterday. Because I want to keep track of just what I'm doing this summer. Okay, dude, that's quite annoying. Boom, 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 boom. Damn, I did hella trees. We were at 5. Got hella to do. So, let's see what a stack one. We're given a string S consisting of the following characters. Input S. Valid. Okay. So this is like purely just a stack. I don't think there's any intricacies. It's just like if you encounter a closing one, the previous one just has to be like, because you can't have something like this. Like, what? Like, that's invalid. Yeah, okay. Um, could probably just make a mapping, but I don't care. I'm just gonna pattern match on the ifs. It's like a bad way of doing this, but whatever. Pop from empty list. Oh, yes, yes, yes. That's a stupid one that I should have accounted for. Hmm? what a stupid way of doing this. Okay, let's see what the smart way is. Yeah, you make a mapping and then you look at it. Actually, okay, that's what I did. Whatever. How do I like load in the default? There we go. It's the reason you're looking to, no. Well, I'm still looking for like internships. So internships only last 10 weeks. And I'm not like guaranteed a return offer at the spot I'm in, so I've got to be ready to just apply to everything. So each function should run an O of one time. Push pop top and get min. It doesn't seem too hard. Unless I'm like interpreting something wrong. Oh, I get it. Because the pop can change this. Okay, so it can't just be a float. How are we gonna do with this actually? Because we want to do, when we pop from the main stack, we need to check like, because in the pop you'll need to be able to update the in here you need to update if you're popping the min element. Oh, is this gonna be self.stack? Where put my phone? The fuck? Hmm? Oh. Okay. Oh shit, what's up, 5? How you doing, big dog? I'm chilling, I'm just trying to figure this one out. Trying to figure. Okay, so push. Is it just you push them in one each time? Can you compare none and min? Or does this error? What's up, John? That will be a type error. Okay, so I can't. So how can I help you, John? You get type definitions when you edit your NeoVim config. Type definitions, like I can't remember. So you're saying like what? Like if I hit a go to where? Like here? Because I get those. I can't jump here, if this is what you mean. But if I do like Vim schedule, that takes me. Go back to the previous one. Like this. I have my dot files public. What file is that? It's down here. Are you getting that? Oh, it's just connected. I mean, I went off of Kickstart and Vim, so I didn't set up like the Lua LSP. But I have all mine public. Like, man, it's in here if you want to take a look, if it's helpful. Do we want to be pushing each time, actually? Do we have each? No, let's just try it. I don't have that much time to think. No clue if this is gonna work. I have a feeling it won't. Huh? Oh. Bro. If I could just know Python, that'd be cool. Yeah, I had a feeling that wasn't gonna work. Okay, I just kind of want to look at the solution. Wait, okay, so what did I do wrong here? Wait, actually, like fundamentally, what is different about this? Because they append val, I append val, and then they append to the min stack the minimum between val and the top one. How is this different? Huh? What the fuck? Someone seeing something that I'm not. Wait, yeah, what the fuck am I doing differently? I don't understand. Because this should get 5. And then 5 should be greater than 0. What the fuck? No, what the fuck? Where's the one I failed? I'm gonna have to submit it again, goddammit. Use test case. So we get 5, and then we get 0, but how do we get 2? Oh, is that because of not? I think the not is setting 0. That's so stupid. Okay. Whatever. Alright. It's like the 10 minutes that I have. I'm now going to read what ChatGPT gave me for this thing. Let's see. Building a mini Docker container. Creating a simple container. For example, PID namespaces let a container have its own process numbering. Okay. Mount namespaces. Give a private file system view. UTS namespaces. Isolate host name. Okay. Several types of namespaces, but the key ones to start are PID. Makes sense. And host name and file system. I wonder what this link that they keep linking is. Learn what each namespace type does and how to use them via system calls. No, I just installed with Brew. For hands-on perspective, see. See groups limit and monitor. Okay, this makes sense. Oh, makes sense. Yeah. For your initial prototype, you might not. Container should have its root file system separate from the host. The classical tool for this is chroot. Oh, that's cool. Okay. chroot jail. What are you reading about? My goal for like end of summer is I want to build like a baby Docker, pretty much. Like I want to build my own containerized thing in C++ because I want to learn more about C++ and I want to learn more about containers. So it's gonna be like a really shitty container. But as of now, I know 0 of how that shit works. So I asked it to give me like the basics. Finally use AI. I'm not opposed to it. I won't be using it to code, but it's probably the best way to develop a roadmap. Okay, where was I? This creates a chroot jail, isolating the process's system view of the file system. In a container context, you would create a minimal file system for the container. Yeah, okay, that'll make sense. Yeah, okay. So the containers process thinks that this directory is its entire file system. glibc manual. Like that's just like a big HTML page. Holy fuck. Okay. I should probably make another folder. Add folder. Basically just every C API for Linux. Okay, cool. Cool. Kind of sad. I don't know how much time I'm left today because I should be somewhere at 3:30. But well, definitely, I'm going to continue reading these throughout the week. My goal is on weekends to spend like an hour or so on this stuff, probably more. This weekend was just bad. But yeah, I don't know how much I'm going to be able to work like during the week on this stuff, but we'll see. It does just seem so cool, so I do want to do it. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Okay, process creation. Yeah. Okay, there's just basic syscalls. In container creation, the Linux specific clone system calls key. It's like an extended fork. Okay. Read the man pages of clone unshare. Okay. Also resources like understanding Docker. I forgot how much they give for this. Okay. Many namespace and isolation require root privileges. Yeah. Okay. Of course. Yeah, I mean, I don't really have to worry about exploits because I'm not going to be, like, giving this out to people. This is good to note, though. Alright, I'll have to set up that. I guess I should probably just write this down. I guess I already had this open. Okay, baby container. Okay. Cool. The Linux man pages. I like how almost all of these are just like raw HTML pages with like no styling. Like I'm telling you, I could have bet my house. I've never seen this site before. I could have bet my house on the fact that this was going to be exactly like this. Like if I turn off Dark Reader, flashbang warning, but like this is every like systems programming man page. I don't give a fuck how it looks. Like just some raw HTML and get some hrefs to the other pages. Index.html. Who the fuck cares? And it's 2025. Yeah, I don't get the Linux man. I don't think I can just type man. Alright, I'll just stick with man 7. Okay. Always refer to the main pages. Yeah, for clone and unshare. Okay. Ugh. Seems quick. I'm just kind of going to compile stuff today. I'll try to read stuff over the week, and then next week, maybe start writing some code. I think that's going to be roughly the plan, because let me text my girlfriend. Said roughly 3:30 I'd hang out with her, and it's 3:30. Okay. Explains what happens. For example, a child process will be doing something. Part 2 continues. Deployment file system location. Key. Can take a look at original discussions about how to design the internet. I mean, there's just so much to read. So much shit to do. I'm trying to figure out the scope of this project, honestly, right now. Okay. The iOS in 3 easy steps. That's gonna be me next quarter. My OS class. What's up, Mob? It's kind of meta to use Docker to develop a Docker container. Kind of fuck with that, actually. The Docker's in Go? I didn't know that. I guess that makes sense. It does, like, make a lot of sense. It's likely distributed. Holy fuck. Look at those stars. See, like, I thought about doing this in Go too, but I don't know. I feel like I'm over-specking myself into Go when just no jobs, just none that I apply to are like, you should know Go. It's like, I don't know why I've chosen that. It's like, I enjoy it, but like, it just doesn't help me. That's why I kind of want to do this one in C++. Yeah, no, I'm doing it in C++, Caesar. At least that's going to be the plan. Because I haven't done like an actual like project besides like some school shit in C++. I think it's just worth it to like actually do something. All right. My girlfriend's on her way to my house. So I will see you guys tomorrow just for some lead code and maybe some more reading. I'm apologize in advance. This week is going to be boring to watch stream-wise. It is going to be me trying to wrap my head around this stuff. Yeah. Did you just come in at a bad time, man? I've been streaming for 43 minutes. But yeah, okay. That's the plan. Thank you all for stopping by. I appreciate you all. See you tomorrow for some lead code. Hope you guys join me. Yeah, have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye.